Hey everybody, welcome to the Forex Academy. This is Darrell, and I wanted to show you a trade that we're watching. This is actually the first trade of the new year that I'm watching. I haven't seen anything today that's worthy, but this is one that I'm going to be watching, and I wanted to kind of explain to you what my thought process is here using the VMS strategy, and that's volume, momentum, and structure. So we get our first signal from the 4 hour time frame in the charts, and we're looking for pullbacks, reversals, double top, triple tops, head and shoulders, things of this nature. The support and resistance zones are a big area for us. We need to have a minimum of at least two touches in order for it to even qualify. This particular market, the euro to the yen, I just kind of want to show you here real quick what this market has been doing. So you look at that, it's been in an uptrend, really since all the way back down here, right? Even further, right about here. So that was March of this year is when it started into the downtrend, or check that, started into the uptrend. And kind of hesitated a little bit here. We took advantage of a couple of them there, and so now this is where we are at. I'm going to just quickly try and show you a monthly on this because I want you to understand the gravity of what this market is currently doing. So this is all the way back to 2003 down here. This is 2008, and this is where we're at currently. We're above all of that. So now, bear with me for a moment while I get my 4 hour chart back. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. It tried to kind of do something here with some consolidation. Maybe it looked like it might have been going down. Made a really nice shooting star reversal up in here, and we got that. If this market would have broke below here and then retraced up for the pullback, I would have been looking at this. But it did not do that. It broke up, made new highs, and now, as you can see, it is actually looking like, it looks like, and that's kind of the trick there. You have to let the market come to you, don't chase it. With the Forex Academy, we are snipers, and I will explain that later. But for now, the very first step in the strategy is to look for structure on the 4 hour market. So right now we have a high, and then it came down, retraced back up, came down, made the same low. So that's one leg, two leg, but we didn't get the third leg yet because we have to make a new low, right? So here, right here, today, it broke through and closed on this candle, making a new low. So now what we're looking at, in order for this to qualify for the VMS, this to me would be a pullback in a downtrend. So I like that the 50 EMA is hooking down, really like that. So I have to see the whole setup. So this market needs to, in my opinion, come down just a little bit more, maybe, and then come back up into this resistance zone, and then right here give me triggers that says that it's wanting to go down. So in with all of that, we have to have momentum. I can't take this trade down if momentum is low hooking up. Those are just going against each other. We don't want that. We want momentum and volume to both line up with what we are thinking. And right now we're thinking this is going to go down. So I need momentum to come up here, higher the better, and then make a hook coming down. When I see that, along with this price action coming back up and being in this resistance zone, and momentum comes up and makes that hook coming down, then I'll start looking for volume because I would have to have an engulfing candle up here to the downside. All of this has to come together, but it's surprising how many times that does come together. And so I'm anticipating someday or someday, maybe tomorrow, maybe Wednesday, maybe Thursday, but sometime this week, this market is going to show us what it wants to do. It's either going to go down from here, or it's going to do a pullback up in here, which might give us an opportunity to go short in this one. Okay, so this is kind of a big deal. 20-year highs, and the market is probably going to balance out a little bit. So I will be watching this. If the strategy plays out, and if all the triggers are hit, and I do mean all the triggers, then and only then will we try to take a position in here. So we have a free Facebook group. You're welcome to come aboard and check out what we've been doing. I post a lot of thoughts on trades and whatnot, and you can also follow us on TradingView. All right, guys. Hope you're having a great day, and I will talk with you later.